What's up, guys? This is Brian down at Ron Ayers Motorsports. I want to show you a quick 2020 pit bike that we just finished up. It's KLX 110, as you can see right here. We got the big bar kit on it. We've also got the Two Brothers high seat, as well as the full Yoshi exhaust. We've had some customers asking about these, so we wanted to build one so you guys can see it. Make sure you come by and check it out sometime this week. This one won't be here long, but we can certainly build you another one. We hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you soon down at Ron Ayers Motorsports.